AI, it's a fancy talk at some level. In fact, DeepSeek can be so powerful, but how are we going to use it? Young people are the ones that are supposed to be driving all of this. We don't have enough skill in this space. Where we work is beginning to change. I can start with education, for example. Chatbots like ChatGPT and DeepSeek now, they've changed the way assessments are conducted in higher education. They've also changed the way students respond to assignments. In healthcare, you have some breakthroughs in medical surgeries. You find AI in that space. In agriculture, you have drones now in agriculture assisting with pest control. In government, you find still drones in policing. So across different sectors, AI is really changing a lot. All of that collectively changes the way we see the world today. Various industries, like I'll take manufacturing for example, AI has really impacted the operations because now they're more efficient. However, you know what that means for labor. People are getting retrenched because AIs are getting to do most of the work. I will go back to education, for example. There's so much lack of integrity in that space because you're not really sure if it's AI or the human being was the one who did the work. I think in agriculture, it's doing a better job because most times in agriculture, you don't have enough people or enough tractors to work. So you need to be very efficient. Crime control, drones are very good in that space. I think DeepSeek changed everything because of the cost on the access it grants to this business because there was a huge monopoly in that space before DeepSeek. So when the cost drops drastically like that, I think DeepSeek is going to lead for the future. The role it to play, I think it's going to give access to a lot of more people to get involved, to train their own models by themselves. DeepSeek for the future would allow for many practitioners, many software engineers, students in universities to get involved in this AI revolution. So my key takeaway was that we needed an engine that trains for us, especially young people between the age of 18 and 21 while they're still studying, to get exposure to all of these tools so that they can be our soldiers in a way in the business world, so that all these business problems, we can just dump it for them while we then worry about strategy, worry about business development, worry about all other things, running our companies. So we need to now take advantage of that and make sure we train those guys so that these young people can be our workforce for the future.